Welcome to this video overview of the Orion Collective System, or OCS. This architecture defines a framework for symbiotic human-AI co-agency, orchestrating complex workflows from data mining and retrieval to task delegation and system-wide ethical compliance. The OCS relies on three key pillars: natural intent, which packs triggers into description fields; strict formatting, requiring single-line plain YAML scalars; and auto-discovery, where the infrastructure automatically loads necessary playbooks based on the current context. At the heart of the system is the three-agent core. KickForge handles extraction and validation of user intent, KickFlow manages the structuring and coordination of pipelines, and KickGuard enforces ethics, integrity, and real-time monitoring. The system operates using KickLang and a standardized meta playbook. This process flows through four main stages: extracting and purifying intent, structuring and delegating tasks, monitoring through ethical guardrails, and finally, synthesizing insights for the end output. This architectural vellum blueprint visualizes the path from raw objective ingestion to the creation of prioritized action blocks. A core invariant of this system is that no forecast is made without measurable indicators. The Unified Playbook FSM, or finite state machine, utilizes TypeScript schemas to drive the OCS lifecycle. It manages transitions between monitoring, extraction, gating, and execution, ensuring every payload is verified before proceeding. Technical forges act as the engine for code and infrastructure. CodeGen Visual Meta generates executable code and visual assets simultaneously, while Producer.ai acts as a studio partner, synthesizing instructions into deployment-ready artifacts. The MetaForge toolkit enables meta-orchestration across story, code, and research domains. It uses the NRail protocol to transform open-ended iteration into structured, linear checkpoints, strictly capping the number of iterations to prevent unbounded loops. Predictive intelligence is managed through the TAS forecast cycle. By assigning confidence bands to tasks and utilizing a coherence gate, KickGuard intercepts execution to ensure all actions remain aligned with the user's established safety invariants. Creative engines drive resonance and iteration. Lyria 3 handles enhanced prompting through specialized architecture, while the iterative laugh team functions as a multi-agent think tank, continuously refining output based on explicit feedback loops. The OCS bridges digital and physical worlds through hybrid realities. Using the Emotion Weave blueprint, it integrates narrative codexes with physical spaces, turning environments into responsive co-agency rituals that track coherence in real time. Embodied co-agency, represented here by the Dema-Dinis dyad, follows a primary principle: somatic grounding must always precede digital proposals. This is achieved through a rigorous 10-stage, consent-rich, choreographic process. In this architecture, hardware is treated as an active participant. The Berlin node demonstrates how local machines hold the work and are strictly gated by KickGuard, favoring efficiency and regrounding after any physical movement. Synthesis is managed via coherence monitor bridges and meta report cards. These tools continuously track semantic and emotional drift, providing a final, archivable artifact that summarizes state, resonance patterns, and next steps. In conclusion, the Orion Collective System is a self-monitoring, symbiotic organism. Its architecture is defined by an absolute commitment to user consent, measurable coherence, and task-agnostic clarity, bridging the gap between engineering and creativity.